Welcome to PrimeTube training video series. In this tutorial we are going to show you how to add reseller user. Go to the left menu and click on the reseller. And choose reseller user from the drop-down. Now you are on the reseller user page. Click on Add Reseller User option. And fill all the required details like name, email, password, profile image. You can assign package to reseller user of your choice. Now click on Submit option and your reseller user will show in Reseller User section. You can change password, edit or delete your reseller user anytime you want.